So I use this pretty cool AI tool on the daily, and it's called Manus. If you're familiar with it, you already know how powerful it is. If you're not familiar with it, let me just share my screen here so you can see exactly what's going on. So as you can see, it just went through and ran all this stuff. You can watch the computer work on the back end. It actually just finished, so you can't really see that. But it built this in a Google Sheet for me to track projects that I want to build. And basically what this is going to do is, here's the Google Sheet. So all I do is I add the new project name up here, and then I start tracking tasks. And what's even cooler about this is if I've already brainstormed with ChatGPT and it's given me a full breakdown of the project, including security risks and anything that I might need to account for step by step, I can now take that document and drop it into Manus, and it will automatically fill this out for me. So let me just show you what that would look like. I am currently in the process of building a free trial for our voice agents for home services to use. And let me just take this. It's fully fleshed out. I've verified it. It's given me a lot of details. So let me just copy this, put it over to Manus, and let's watch the magic happen. Free trial voice agent framework. Now let's just talk to this here. Okay, great. Now I have attached to you a document for the first project we're going to add in here. We're building a free trial voice agent for home service-based businesses, and this is all of the requirements that we need to be able to build this out. So go ahead and take this document that I provided you and build this out, or add this to the new tracker you just created. Send, and watch the magic happen. As you can see, it's going through here, modifying the sheet. And in just one moment, we will see it be adjusted. You can see the little computer screen that it's got going on in the back end over here. And let's wait for it to populate. Something else that's cool about this that most other AI doesn't do, or does not do, is you can actually modify what it's working on as it's working. So let's just do this. I want to increase the size of this so I have more tasks to fill out. So let's just tell it to increase that. Hey Manus, I like what you're doing here, but what I noticed is this is probably going to have more tasks than what you currently have presented on the Google Sheet that you built out. So what I think you should do is maybe extend the task list all the way down to 100, just in case we have a lot. And yeah, let's just go from there. Now, as you can see, I just submitted what I said up there. It's going to change. Good call. I'll expand all 5 project columns to 100 task rows each, then populate project 1 with all the tasks from the document. Let me handle both in one shot. Let's see what happens. The cool thing about using a tool like this is that you can literally have it perform a task for you while you're doing something else. So if you know that doing something like this would have taken you several hours of your time, just brainstorm in ChatGPT, get a framework started, drop it into Manus, let it run, and come back to it in a couple hours when it's done, while you've worked on other things that you should have been spending your time doing. But let's get back to this and watch to see what happens. Alright, so I just stepped away to take a quick break, let it do its thing, and let's come back and see what it's done here. So give me a minute, get into my office here. Alright, so it looks like it has completed its task. And it looks like that's what it's done, but when we look over here, looks like it's not there, but looks like it may have created a new sheet. So let's see what happens. Okay, so here we go. This is the new sheet that it's done. It looks like it added all 100 rows. Looks like this task that I gave it is only going to have 33 things. And then when I check this box, now I can track when things are done. And it looks like it automatically highlights it and crosses it out as well, which is a super cool thing. So, yeah, this is super cool. Manus is awesome. I highly recommend it. And go try it out for yourself. It's completely free to test out. Highly recommend it. And good luck.